If you're considering buying Esimatic Limited, you'll want to know these 7 key things before making your decision. We'll break down how it compares to other similar products in the market and provide you with valuable insights you won't find elsewhere. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Esimatic Limited is right for you. First off, Esimatic Limited offers a unique eSIM solution, but how does it stack up against its competitors? When compared to traditional SIM cards or other eSIM providers, Esimatic's setup process stands out for being incredibly simple. Unlike some of the more complex and technical eSIM solutions out there, with Esimatic, you can be up and running in a matter of minutes. The app is easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy, which is a massive advantage over its competitors. Next, one of the standout features of Esimatic Limited is its global coverage. While some eSIM providers only work in select regions, Esimatic Limited offers coverage in more than 150 countries. This is a huge plus for anyone who travels frequently or needs reliable connectivity across multiple regions. In comparison to its competitors, this level of coverage is hard to beat. You won't have to worry about switching providers when you're hopping between countries. The third thing you should know is about pricing. Esimatic Limited's pricing is transparent, with competitive rates compared to other eSIM providers. Unlike some competitors that have hidden fees or confusing pricing structures, Esimatic keeps things straightforward. The best part? You can try it out for free by clicking the first link in the description below, making it a low-risk option to test before committing. Moving on, the fourth thing to consider is customer support. Esimatic Limited offers 24/7 customer support, which is a crucial aspect that many other eSIM providers overlook. Whether you're dealing with connectivity issues or have a question about your plan, their support team is easy to reach and quick to respond. It's a feature that sets them apart from others in the industry, where customer service can often feel like an afterthought. Now let's talk about flexibility. Esimatic Limited allows you to choose from a variety of data plans depending on your needs, whether it's for a short-term trip or longer stays. This level of customization isn't always available with competing services. Many eSIM providers lock you into long-term plans, but with Esimatic you can adjust as needed, which gives you more control over your data and spending. The sixth thing you should know is that Esimatic Limited works across multiple devices. Whether you're using it on a phone, tablet, or even some smartwatches, it seamlessly integrates with a variety of devices. This flexibility is something that some competitors lack, as they often only support certain models. So, if you have multiple devices, this could be a major advantage for you. Finally, the seventh thing to know before buying Esimatic Limited is their commitment to security. With Esimatic, you can feel confident knowing your personal information and data are protected. They use advanced encryption technology to safeguard your data, something that not all eSIM providers prioritize. So, after all of this, if you're ready to try out Esimatic Limited, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits. You won't find a better offer anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Esimatic Limited has proven to be a solid eSIM solution for travelers, digital nomads, and anyone looking for reliable, flexible, and secure connectivity. Click the link below to get started today.